Where are we going? The man. We braved Saturday's rainy afternoon just to see Marina Bay summer market with my midi-me, Samantha. More vendor shopping. You have to go inside. It's normally at the boardwalk, but since it's raining and they're doing some construction, they held it inside the shops. Hi. Good. Bubble tray, 25, no 20. Lip incense holder, 25.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay, so I have kids. I run a regular
Mm.
and just like
Oh. So the mini is okay. Well, that's good.
oh, do I have a space?
And the white with glass. Oh,
Yeah. And the school glass as well to the side.
oh, that's pretty. You have that. Oh. Good. How are you?
Well, again, $15 a bit.
$15.
Sea glass and shells that I find on the beach.
Oh,
All the real deal.
awesome. Is it there? 25. And those are earrings.
You know, if you have any questions,
You want to try? Lotion?
yeah, my
Good.
Have you ever heard this of us before?
I don't think so.
I'm Paula.
Hi, Paula.
So we're a clean skincare company.
Mhm.
I used to have full face cystic acne. I spent thousands of dollars trying to fix my skin, and eventually I gave up. And I said, I'm going to work with the best formulators in the United States to get our skincare products out there. The way it's organized is the same way you would take care of your skin: cleansers, toners, treatments, moisturizers.
Okay.
Let me know if you have any questions. We also have an amazing wheel of prizes. If you want to fill out one of the white slips, or you can spin it.
Okay. Thank you. You want to spin, Sam? Brightening and tightening. Hydrating mask. What does it say?
cream, hydrating, plumping.
Nice hydrating moisturizer.
Oh, for dry skin.
Yeah. Then there's the combination of serum skin and for
I think I have dry skin. How much is this?
That one is $42. What I got, but it
Mm,
absorbs very quickly.
okay.
It absorbs very, very
Oh,
quickly.
smells good
Yeah,
too.
right. And it lasts a very long time.
It
Yeah.
says interiors. I do interior design
What is
mostly. It says interiors.
Yeah.
CES.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That one?
Yes, that's me.
I just gave you a follow.
All right. I will
We
see.
were
Oh,
recording the podcast visually,
okay.
and then we were putting it up on YouTube. And we did a little bit of travel vlogging. You have children? Oh, stop it.
Well, thank you so
You look
much.
amazing.
That's on record.
Can you say it again? Yeah, so we have a bunch of the podcast episodes up. We're pausing for the summer, but then it was great because I could splice the podcast
Right.
episodes into Instagram reels.
Okay.
That was going really well for us.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
good. That's good.
It's a form of creativity.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have your card
Yeah.
too. Thank you.
Yeah.
I actually have my card. If you want. Thank you. Yeah, so I do interior design and started with the vlogging thing.
You want to grab one of those?
Can I pay in credit card?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Did you fill out one of the forms?
Oh, okay. Did you? Did you?
Fill it up.
Yeah, so I'll try that.
Start with a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. If it's not hydrating enough, then add a little bit.
Okay. So you can mix it with any acids. I
Yes.
do retinol.
Yes, no
I
issue
do
whatsoever.
HABHA.
Mhm. Yep, there's no acids or chemical exfoliants in here.
Mhm.
So the only thing it will do is it'll keep you more hydrated as you use your chemical exfoliants. Any of the chemical exfoliants, you put this on top of it, except for retinol. Retinol will always be your last.
Right. Okay. If I run out,
You can shop online.
just
Free shipping
online.
on orders over 65. I'll put in all the cards in here.
Okay.
You'll be in the know.
Awesome.
Did you spin? Get $5 off of it. Definitely. That's what you can see.
Yeah, here, Marina Bay.
Oh.
What about you?
We're in Kingston.
Okay.
So right down by Plymouth, but we have our manufacturing facility right in Kingston. And then I'm going to give you some bracelets. If you post about us, you can enter to win a $50 gift card.
Nice.
And
I'll
then
definitely post
this
about
is
it.
a little gift card as well for $15 off your next order of $50 or more online. Just use that code right there.
Awesome. Yeah.
Those are our combination acne prone skin products.
Okay.
So these are our cleansers. This is one of the acne cleansers called a wash.
Mhm.
And just shake it up when it comes out. So cleanser, this comes off, you wet it, and then you just rub it all over your face.
Oh, that's so
Yeah, it's
cool.
good for travel. Like especially for
How much
travel.
is?
That guy is $42. I love it.
We can get it online
You can
anyway.
absolutely, yeah. And then you can
Because I use the new face, anything
that
that,
you use with
that
it.
you can
You
use
need
with
an
it.
oil for slip with it, right?
Right.
Yeah. I love speaking to people that know their skincare.
I have to, because age and all.
You'd be surprised.
That's why
Some people don't know.
I try to watch YouTube videos.
Exactly. That's how you learn. So
About
this is just for purchasing. You take this to the salon next
okay,
door,
Arya.
and you can put it in their. They have a raffle.
Thank you
Welcome
so
to the
much,
team. Is there anything-
Paula.
wait,
The
wait.
raffle ticket. So I keep one, right? Right. Have to write down. You wanna go there?